Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Chelsea and I'm happy to have you here. Today we are going to be starting off making dinner. We're having hibachi chicken and rice. My son likes the chicken, but he's not a fan of rice, so I fixed him some corn and he had some fruit with that. We're also going to be doing a little laundry, and then we are going to start decluttering and pretty much my whole home. Last video, we decluttered in my son's room, so we're not going to be doing that today, but I will show you at the end a picture of what we did declutter. And then we didn't get to declutter nothing in the living room, but the rest of the house we did, and I can't wait to share with you what all we decluttered. So if you're ready, then let's get right on into this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoy.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the trees. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around.
These are all the seasonings that I'm using, and it turned out delicious, guys. I was craving some good chicken and rice like the Japanese place, and I'm not gonna say it was good as them, but it was a good duplicate of it, okay?
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow.
Chase's friend made him that. Who made this one? He made that too. And then they learned about the Three Kings Day, and this little book goes with this, and Chase made this.
I drew this.
And he drew this.
And I also made that.
That is so cute.
And I drew that one. I drew
what
this.
What is this? This is a gnome, right?
Yeah, and I drew this with actually drew this. This is not a sheet. I actually drew it with the pencil and did all that.
I know it. You did so good.
And then I made this.
Cool.
And then I made this. This is my mama's favorite. So
yeah,
you can get a black paper and get a white, and then you can put snow.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together? I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire.
I don't want to do the rice in the microwave this time. I want to do it in my skillet. So it said 2 tablespoons of water and just stir until heated through.
I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this
Y'all, this Christmas season is going by so fast. Tomorrow, the kids get out for the Christmas break, and I have yet to buy the teachers' gifts. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. I just now remember that. So it looks like I'm making a trip to Walmart when I get off of work today. I'm pretty sure that all y'all out there that has y'all's life together, because I clearly don't. But what did you get your kids' teacher? If you do that, what did you get your kids' teachers for Christmas? Last year we got a pretty cup. Like they wanted a cup. I'm not sure. I don't know. But I was rushing then too. So I try to make enough time so that I'm not rushing like this. And every year, guess what? I'm always rushing like this. Alright guys, it's now 5 o'clock. Here is me and my honey's dinner, chicken and rice, so good. Chase doesn't want the chicken and rice, so I left him some chicken out, and I'm going to make him something else to go with it. Maybe some corn or whatever he wants. So, there you go. And I went ahead and finished the dishes. I haven't wiped the counters or down or anything yet, but I'm going to eat first, and then we'll get back to it. So I ended up wiping down the counters and stuff off camera. So we needed to get started on laundry, and after I got done eating and doing a few things, it was time to start laundry. So that is exactly what we're doing. As you can see, it needs to be done. That big old load in that red basket, and I also have another red basket full of clothes in our bedroom that I will be bringing out later on in the video to wash. So here's your laundry motivation.
We both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt, but I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away. You know that I want you to stay, 'cause I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Don't run away. We can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Maybe you can stay the night. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. You, I wanna be with you. Hope that we can work it out, but I know that you have your doubts. I wanna be with you. Don't you wanna be with me? I think about you night and day, and I just want you here with me. I wanna be with you. You know it is the truth. Don't run away. We can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Maybe you can stay the night. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. Work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me. Don't let this go to waste. Work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me. Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Oh, can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste.
Okay, so we just put this basket, it was full, into the washer, and we still got this basket full of blankets. don't know if we're going to get to that tonight. It's already 7 o'clock. So I'll probably catch back up with you guys tomorrow. Alright. Good night.
Don't let this go to waste.
So here is the stuff that we got for Chase's teachers. He wanted to pick them out an ornament. And we got them some Santa snack mix. And we just got a little red gift bag to give to them. Just to let them know that we appreciate them and we hope that they have a Merry Christmas.
Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste.
That we can work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me. I hope that we can work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me.
I am getting rid of everything that we have not used, worn, or stuff like that in 2022. So, with that being said, we're going to start in my bedroom and bathroom and stuff. I don't think there's anything in the bathroom because I just did that not too long ago, but we're still going to go look. We're going to go in every room, and we're going to try to at least declutter 5 things in each room. Sure, I can do that, right? So we're going to see. But let's get right on into this video and let's get to decluttering. I challenge you to get rid of at least 3 things in each room of your house. Let me know if you do that down in the comments.
Wide awake is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house. And I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls.
Here's 3 things that I got out of the bathroom. This is trash though, but it's still being decluttered out of that cabinet. So that counts, right? And then this little thing right here. And then this huge makeup palette. But I never use it, so there's no point in keeping it.
Let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me. In my bed, 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about.
Wait, no, I can have it.
No, that's makeup, dude.
Oh, I
You
wanted.
want this?
Yeah.
Okay, well, he wants that, so.
All the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay, so while I am decluttering these items, I'm also organizing my drawers better, like putting like items together, because it always gets messed up every time I go to put clean clothes up. I'll just put them in which drawer fits. So every once in a while, I like to go through it anyways and just put like items together. So that is exactly what we're doing here. And I got rid of so much in here, guys. I can't wait to share it with you. And then we're going to make our way to the kitchen, and I do pretty good in there too. We don't really do much in the living room, not really anything, but we do at my desk. And we did Chase's room last video, so that's already done. And we got, as you see, we got rid of a lot there too. And if you haven't seen that video, I will link it at the end of this video.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start.
We tried to put new batteries in this Christmas outside projector, but it still doesn't work, so we are going to toss that.
I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Do what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say. I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with
Okay guys, this is it for the bedroom and my bathroom, and I'm counting all these now, and there was 24 items. So now I'm going to go take a shower and we're going to get started in the kitchen.
me. When you're with me, I can't breathe.
like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for you. You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, engineer.
Okay, this is dream water. It's naturally, sleep naturally. And then this is a whole box of it. So, and then we're going to get rid of this because I don't really want it no more. And then we have 4 cups that we no longer need.
And this one.
Chase just come in here and he wants to keep this one. So we're going to keep this
At
one.
least one
We're
of
going to get, I got some more up there. Them are wore out, so we're going to get rid of them. But he does want to keep that one. Okay, so the box has 24 of the Dream Waters in there, so a total of 36 items for the kitchen decluttered. Okay, so obviously we have moved on to my desk area. I did go into the living room before I did this, and there was nothing in there, so this is going to be all of the decluttering after we finish this up, so stick around and see what all we decluttered. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and end the voiceover here since there's only about a minute left, but I want to thank you all for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would love for you to subscribe. If you haven't already, I would love to have you join our YouTube family, and thank you so much for being here, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Stay tuned for about another minute to see what all we decluttered, and at the end, I show a picture of last video, what we decluttered in my son's room. So overall, I think we did really good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye, guys.
Ever coming now? I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay.
Okay, guys, so I am filling up this whole trash bag. So over 100 items in a full trash bag full of stuff that we decluttered. It may not be much to y'all, like I always say, but it is a lot for us to get a full trash bag out. I accidentally deleted the picture of what we decluttered in my son's room, but if you want to go check that video out, it will be at the end screen of the video today.